From the rising number of COVID-19 cases to Indian government countering Chinese adversaries, I am Mansi Mathur bring you with the top stories of the day. India records more than 60,000 fresh COVID-19 cases, making the total tally of COVID-19 cases surge past the 23 lakh mark. However, as a sigh of relief, the recovery rate has improved to 70.37%. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh continue to report the highest number of cases across the country. While the country continues to battle with the China-originated coronavirus, Indian government continues to keep a check on illegal activities of China. Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT has unearthed money laundering activities worth over 1,000 crore rupees that involve Chinese and Indian nationals. The Income Tax Department has conducted searches on the premises of Chinese entities, their close confederates, and a couple of banks. A subsidiary of Chinese company and its related concerns have taken over 100 crore rupees bogus advances from their shell entities for opening businesses of retail showrooms in India. Moving on, violent clashes erupted in Bengaluru after an unidentified man posted communal remarks on his Facebook post. The police station was vandalized and the residence of a Congress MLA was disrupted by the protesters. 3 people have been killed while 60 police personnel have been left injured after being attacked by the mob. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has said, and I quote, "Directives have been issued against perpetrators and the government has taken all possible steps to curb the situation." Now, let us have a glance on some international news coming up. As US parliamentary elections are nearing, Democratic and Republican candidates are trying their best to win the public appeal. In a latest turn of events, Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden has named Senator Kamala Harris as his running mate, that is, vice president candidate. If elected, she will be the first Black and Asian American woman in the role. Popular Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt has been detected with stage 3 lung cancer. He is expected to fly to US for further treatment. He informed this on his official Twitter handle. With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Snoopbox.